Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's Friday, June 28th, 2 minutes past 2. It's Friday, and I think my hangover has finally gone and left me. I'm just sitting here now with a glass of milk, just completely making sure. So cheers. Now then. We've got a bit of a sell-off this afternoon. And you'll see, though, I'm at an all-time high. How can that be? So I'll explain. I will explain it right now, just in a second. Let's see who is here. We've got filing from EV sector dips, first quarter. Thank you to 23 Gainer. YouTube Game Show, ACI. Not sure what that means. Hi, Martin, John Granfor. How you doing? Thank God it's Friday. Hi, all. I picked up a few shares of Coke. Going to add more as I can. Congratulations. Very, very good company. And a bit of a deal right now. Absolutely. Should we have a quick look at Coca-Cola? There you go. Yeah, very good deal. Nice. Good little deal there today. Company's still growing. Dividends still going up. Solid company. And you've got yourself a bit of a discount there. So that's not bad at all. 25 times earnings. 2.92 dividend yield. Very nice. Yeah. Bit of a deal there today. Very good. Very, very good defensive stock. Vaz. Hello, John Granfor. Hi, all. Vaz, for anyone wondering what the vote was on ASTI, links for YouTube in Discord. All right. I shall go and have a look and make a video on it. Hope everyone is all right. Hey up, banana heads. I have just placed my first order for the S&P for market opening on Monday, VUSA, as I live in the UK, and cannot buy VU. What is that on? That's not available on Robinhood, is it? That's not on Robinhood, is it? Because I've not seen that on Robinhood. Otherwise, I'd buy that. I think I looked the other day. That's not on Robinhood, is it? And cannot buy VU. My target is 80% of my stock ISA to be S&P. Very, very good. And the rest, long-term positions, I like it. Can you just confirm that's not on Robinhood, is it? Because I've not been able to get that because I've been looking at that. Let me know. Just confirm. You never know. You might have got it. We all get different deals on these things, right? John. Hey, John and Vaz. The vote happens August the 7th, right? Let me go and have a look at that in a moment. Milk for hangover. Never heard of that before. Just made it up. It's just good, solid stuff, isn't it? You know what I mean? It's just not whiskey. That's the point. You know, it's probably, you know, it's not like the cure of the century. It's just good, real food as opposed to whiskey. You know what I mean? I've never heard of that. I just made it up. Wrap looks to be finally waking up. Curzio says expect earnings in 2 weeks. Not heard from the CEO, Scott. I'll let you know when I do. Jay Long, yes, the annual meeting for Sensola is on the 7th of August. Martin, please read my message. You will be, please read my first message. You'll be proud. Up above. Yes, I just read it. I am proud. I see you've done it. Yes. Yes, I am proud. Well done. Only available in Europe and UK as you cannot buy US ETFs due to... Hang on. VUSA only available in Europe and UK as you cannot buy US ETFs due to European regulations. It's very similar to VU, but Europe and alternate available European market. VUSA and VUAG on trading 212. Okay, so VUSA is not on Robinhood. Can you just confirm that, Vaz? Because I've got Robinhood UK. I'm not on about Robinhood US, obviously. Robinhood UK. I looked. I think you mentioned it the other day, and I looked and I couldn't see it. Otherwise, I was going to use it. VSUA and VA on trading 212. Yeah, Robinhood says these earnings are the day before. I have VUAG. Agree, J Long. I have not seen any information, but it's not confirmed yet. It's a Q2 earnings call. Looks like they missed the Q1. Yeah, you're talking about ASTI. Yeah, we've still not got a confirmed date, so don't get too carried away. We don't know when the date is yet. Okay, now then. Let me show you make a little video how all this works. Okay, how to win when you lose. Always. So 8 minutes. Okay. It's on Robinhood. VUSA is dist. What's dist? It's on Robinhood. VUSA in the UK. I couldn't see it. And I've got a UK account. No. Correct, Martin. I cannot see it right on Robinhood either. But if you Google VSA, it's genuine fund used across Europe. Okay. It's on Robinhood. I don't see it. It's not on. I don't see it on the UK. I've got a UK account and a US account. This is if I type in the Robinhood UK, VUSA doesn't come up. It comes up VUSB and VUSE. Jay, you're not from the UK, are you? I'm talking about ASTI Q1. Jay, you're not from UK, are you? Distributing. I'm confused now. I'm going to confirm that VUSA is not on Robinhood in the UK or in the US. I've got both accounts and it's not on either. So I'm not quite sure what's going on here. Anyway. So let's do it. How to win when you're losing all the time. That's the name of this video. How to win when you lose all the time. As you can see, the stock market is down today. 0.8%. I'm down $607. Boo, rubbish. Of course, that's no issue at all because I haven't sold anything and I don't intend selling anything for at least 20 years. So that's all good, right? Not worried. So why am I excited? How am I winning if I'm losing? Can't possibly be winning. You're down today. I'm looking at it. I can see you now shouting at the screen going, you're down. You're in the red. Stocks are down. How could you possibly be up? But guess what? I've just hit another all-time high. 101,044. We've set another target of 150,000 within 12 months now. Hang on a minute, what's going on? How could he possibly be up? He was 100,000 today, and now he's 101,000. I don't believe it. And the stock's going down. That can't be true. He only owns the S&P, and the S&P hasn't paid a dividend today. So there's only one way he can be up. He's just paid money in. Anyone can put money in. That always makes your account go up, but that's not real gains. Or is it? Well, okay. Watch to the end of this video and you might learn how I'm up when I'm losing. Okay, so let me be absolutely clear. I am only in the S&P. So you're absolutely right. There are no dividends today. There will be next week, $400. So this is quite normal before the S&P pays out the dip. It does it all the time. So I'm looking for a bigger dip to buy more. But that's not it. No dividend payouts. Well, what could it be? Robinhood just give me some free money? Nope. Robinhood have not given me any free money today. I told you this was coming about a week ago, and it's arrived, and it's in, and it's banked, and it's cashed. So you'd be right to guess that I've paid some money in. However, not real money. Not real money. I haven't paid in real money because that would be cheating, right? If I just pay in some wages or I win the lottery, that doesn't really count. We're not stupid, you know. You can put $1 million and go, I'm up $1 million. No, doesn't work like that. I'm up today $1,000, which is great, even though the markets are down, because it's a game of chess, not checkers. Remember, every time I buy or sell or move, I'm thinking 5 moves ahead. So, as you know, earlier on last year, I posted some losses, just the right amount. Not too much, not too little. No point doing too much, no point doing too little. Just the right amount to make sure I didn't get charged any income tax and to get a refund. So I posted some losses and I got my money today. In fact, it was $1,300, which has gone into my account today. So it's not me just putting money in and there you go, I've got my portfolio up. It's me putting money in because I posted losses just to the right amount. Any more, and I wouldn't have got any more back because I hadn't paid enough in. So you can't get back what you've not paid in. Any less, and any less, and I'd have got a bit less. There's no real magic to just doing a bit less. But you want to make the most of it. That's basically the point. So that's why my portfolio is another all-time high, even though I'm in. And it's very, very important, this. You might go, that's not really investing. It is, because it's a game of chess. All these pieces make up the overall position. If you're trading, you want to make sure that you're not paying tax when you sell things, or perhaps the lowest possible tax, or using an IRA rather than a brokerage. If you're selling for losses or selling for gains, you want to make sure that you're doing it in the most efficient way possible. Every part of your investments journey, the buying, the selling, the losses, the gains, all of it are all part of your overall portfolio and your overall position. At the end of the day, you invest because today you are here, and in 20 years, 10 years, 30 years, 50 years, you want to be here, somewhere else. So between now and then, you got to do the best things for your account to mature and grow the account. And sometimes you take losses and they are beneficial. I had to wait a little while, but I waited. The money's in, it's banked, and my portfolio, even though I'm down, is up today. And overall, that's a good thing, because that's all that really counts, is that imbalance right there. And now we just wait for the next move, which is further downs, and then we can start buying more on margin again. So there you go. That's how you win when you lose. There's a lot more to investing than just the odd trade here and there. Think of the game of chess, not checkers. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, I shall put my full Alpha Spread playlist. And down here, I will put a very special video. It's all about margin. Tells you how to make the most of margin, all the pitfalls. I've been in it, out of it, margin called, left, right, and center. Go and check that out. You'll thank me afterwards. To know how margin works, it's very important. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right, let's have a look. Correct, Martin. I cannot see Hood either. Martin, look at wrap chart breaking back above 2. Let's have a look. How do we do wrap today? Wrap Technologies. Yes, very nice indeed. Scott Cohen needs to get back on the show. I see that now. Wrap. Finally getting somewhere with wrap. It does appear so, doesn't it? A little bit of a bounce now. That's looking more sustainable. Very, very good. Thanks for bringing that to my attention. Jay, you're not from the UK, are you? I'm talking about ASTI earnings. I saw the earnings numbers for Q1 on their website, but nothing official yet, neither on their website. Okay, Vaz, thank you for that. I'll go and cover that. Links for YouTube in a second. I sent the earnings for Q1 ASTI on Discord again. Links for YouTube. I think it's much as we will get for Q1. I'll have a look in a second. Danny Rothschild. Hey, everyone. Danny, you're not a member anymore. What happened there? What happened there to your badge? Don't let it fall off too long, otherwise you'll lose your history. Very, very important, that. Right. Now then, let's look at wrap. Now, I said to you this morning that Tesla would sell off, didn't I? It's not really holding above. Where's Tesla gone? There you go. Went straight back down again. It's not holding at all at that 200. But then a lot of stuff are down today. Anyway, Frank Curzio Adventures has some good updates on X, just for your information. Frank Curzio Adventures has some good updates on X regarding wrap. Oh, thank you. Rob Terrell, you are a member. Send it in links for YouTube and I'll cover it. So let me go to links for YouTube right now. What have we got? I've just done how to win when you lose. Virgin Galactic. Right, let me cover this. And then I'm going to go to links for YouTube, all right? SPCE, Virgin Galactic. Let's have a little good look here. Virgin Galactic Bloomberg update. What is going on in this video? I'll tell you exactly what is going on and why Virgin Galactic are down today. There's a very, very good reason, and I'll also fill you in with the whole interview. So, Virgin Galactic is down today because this morning we had a scare on CPI, and it wasn't that bad, actually. The market overreacted, then it rallied again. Core price index. I'll put it here. This is the favored metric by the Fed, but of course now Jerome Powell's getting worried he's going to get fired when Donald Trump wins the election, which looks increasingly likely at the moment because of the debate last night. But we've got this here, the core price index, Federal Reserve preferred gauge to measure underlying inflation, edged higher by 0.1. Just remember though that that was 1 month. Overall, the rate of inflation is coming down. However, it spooked the market because now they're saying, oh, how many times? I still say September, the summer, we're going to get rate cuts. But now we're getting people say 1 minute is we're going to get a cut and then we're not. So this doesn't help Virgin Galactic because the longer this goes on, the more money they're spending on interest. It's not good. Also, there's a negative feeling around Virgin Galactic at the moment because they are delaying our Bloomberg interview. As you know, I've spoken to Bloomberg 3 times now, and my part is done. The interview is ready to come out. However, we have to give Virgin Galactic the chance to respond. They're not thrilled to bits about what I have to say because what I have to say puts them all in the firing line to be fired, basically. I think the product is great. The customers that want to fly, I'm assuming, are great. They've stumped up their money. The shareholders are great. We've all bought money and lost and stood by. But Virgin Galactic still not responded to my interview, taking their time. I'm in touch with Bloomberg, keep saying, when is our interview coming out? And I can't tell you each time they tell me, but I can tell you when it's passed because I want to be frank and upfront with you. So it was supposed to come out on Wednesday. That never happened. Supposed to come out on Thursday. That never happened. Supposed to come out today. That never happened. It's all to do with the delay at Virgin Galactic. Once again, Virgin Galactic are letting everybody down. So the stock is down and down and down and down. So if we do a little calculation right now, 826, and I think it's important just to do this for a time, anyway, at least it is for me. 826, 8.26, whoops, you wish, 8.26. divided by 20, 41 cents now. Old money. It's worth knowing that. You shouldn't get too, forget the old money. Otherwise, you start to sort of think it sounds better than it is. 41 cents. Let me look into the camera. There we go. So it keeps on coming down. There's an update. I can't give you any more than that. I don't know any more than that. I am getting frustrated. I'm supposed to be like, not telling you about the dates and all the rest of it. But at the end of the day, my priority is to you, not to Bloomberg or anybody else. It never will be. It's always to you. And, I'm being told Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday. And now I'm waiting for a reply for an update for today. So there we go. That's where we are with Virgin Galactic right now. Once again, disappointing management. Pick up the bloody phone. Reply. I don't know why. Quite honestly, I wouldn't bother. I would say, if you can't be bothered to respond, we're just going to post it anyway. Sod you. But no, that's not how things work. But it's how things would work if I was in charge. I'm telling you that for nothing. If you can't get off your arse, we just move on without you, like I did with Virgin Galactic. Click above my head, down below in the description, over here and over here. More information are readily available as soon as it comes out. I'll keep you posted with any update on Virgin Galactic. Always have and always will. Take care of yourselves and each other. Auto renew has failed me. Oh no. Auto renew. Don't touch Virgin Galactic, said Caden Youngquist. Can't stress enough. I was holding 2 shares of Virgin Galactic just in case. It's now worth 20 cents. How's it worth 20 cents? It can't be worth 20 cents. There was 41 cents a share. You can't possibly have 2 shares of Virgin Galactic worth 20 cents. That means it's down to 10 cents. So that doesn't make sense. What's going on there? I agree with Caden Youngquist. Don't touch it with the management. I wish I knew Henrik, before I invested in Fisker. Oh, dear. Hey, yeah, but what about Fisker, though? There's been opportunity. There was MSK. Did you see it? It went up like 50, 60%, 1 cent to 2 cent, 1 cent to 2 cent. I'm not saying you should be trading it now, but it has bounced around a little bit. Just saying. There were opportunities. You know how it works. You don't need me to tell you. Anyway. So there you go. SPCE. What time was that? That was at 15 minutes, wasn't it? Right. Now then, if you are a member of our channel and you want to get our 3rd anniversary mug, they're a collectible thing. There's a 3rd anniversary mug. And if you are a gold member, of course, the expiry code is tonight to get the discount for the 3rd anniversary mug. You asked for a bigger mug. You asked for the metal mug. And you want it cheaper. You got all 3 things. I know. It's amazing. You can't believe it. I know. So there you go. Let me adjust this a little bit. For the last couple of days, I just seem to be a little bit redder. I don't know why. Is that a bit better? Right, anyway, there's the mug. Surprisingly enough, the most popular thing is this giant water flask. I was surprised. I had no idea. But this is become the most favorite item. There you go. How about that? You never know. You never know how people are going to go, do you? You never know. Right, half an hour to go. Markets are going down. That's fine. You win when you lose when you win. Everybody's a winner. MSK. Yes, sir, he says. Absolutely right. Friday, do you want to phone in? It's the Friday phone in. We didn't have the Friday phone in this morning. Why didn't we have a Friday phone in this morning? Don't know why we didn't do that. We'll have the Friday afternoon phone in. I don't know why that was. Anyway, it's a mystery to us all. Let's have a look. Martin, would you consider making a design merch with more subtle design, like monochrome logo? Martin, would you consider making a design merchandise with more subtle design, like monochrome? I could do a black and white logo. Yeah. Yeah, I know, Martin. It's just so annoying when you invest in a company with great potential and the CEO is just incompetent, delusional, and selfish. Yes, I know. ASTI earnings on Discord. Vaz, can you sort it out, please? ASTI earnings on Discord. I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it right now. I apologize. Okay. Links for YouTube. What do you want me to say? Vaz, Wadey, SMX, Fight Channel, Vaz. What have I got here? For anyone wondering what the vote was. ASTI stock, what is this? ASTI stock Ascent Solar reported results for Q1 24. Don't we already know this? What's new about this? We already know this. This isn't new. Vaz, why are you telling me this? Why are we Q1? We know what Q1 is. We've already known what Q1 is. Are you the only one who didn't know? Why are you... anyway, ASTI reported results for Q1. Story by 3 days ago. Just reported result for the first quarter 24. Reported per share of 53. The company reported revenue of $5,600. Investor place earnings is a project that leverages data from Tradesmith to automate coverage of a... let's have a look. Investor earnings, quarterly earnings, takeaway, as well as a company, allowing us to inform our readers, and please contact us, editor, investor play. Let's have a, that doesn't seem right. $5,600. Bloody hell. Q1 wasn't there, but now it is. Let me see if I can get Spencer Harmon on the phone, the assistant to Paul Worley. Let's do that. Let's do that. So let's type in Spencer Harmon. Okay, so let me just give him a phone call. I'll go off. I'll go offline, just to not put him on the spot. Okay, so I'll go offline. I'm going to be muted. I'm calling Spencer Harmon. Stand by. The phone is ringing. Spencer, hi, good afternoon. Just to let you know, okay, so I just called Spencer Harmon. He works with Paul Worley, Ascent Solar, to see if he would respond to... Oh, hello, look at the markets dropping. if he would respond to the Q1 earnings. So I'm going to wait for a response to cover that. Yeah, I don't know what's new about this, but it's very kind of Vaz sending it in. Don't ever apologize, mate. You sent in information. Part of researching is we send it all in and we find what we need. Some things we use, some things we don't. Nothing wrong with that. Okay. Q1 reported in March, wasn't it? Yes, Q1, but wasn't there, but now is. Yeah, I want to get a response because $5,600 doesn't sound right to me. I mean, does it sound right to you? Flipping out, I've earned more. I'm earning more than a publicly traded company. I mean, think about it. Took an 84% profit on Lucy and 57 cents a share profit on Tesla. Pretty good day, but got any on IPW trade and sold for no loss or profit for it to go up 20 cents a day. Shish, says David. Oh dear. Spencer works for Fish Tank. It's a great review PR firm out of New York. You can look at his profile on their website. Spencer works for Fish Tank. It's a great it's a great reviewed PR firm out of New York. Oh, right. Spencer Hart. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. You can look on his profile on their website. Oh, great. I didn't know that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till we get full clarification and see if we get a... Let me make sure I'm not in do not disturb mode, just so if I get a phone call back, I'll be able to respond to it for you guys. Right, we've got 25 minutes to go, and we're getting a bit of a sell-off into the weekend. The markets don't like the uncertainty. Doesn't matter today whether you think, Donald Trump's going to win or not, whatever. And the markets would tend to favour Republican. However, they don't like all the uncertainty of the way things look. We now might get a new nominee for the Democrat Party, and of course that throws chaos into those that want to know what's going on. David, about saw Nike today went down over 20%. Wonder if it's a buy now. Nike, we did do a review on Nike. If you want to go and have a look, Martyn Lucas Investor, Nike, you will see my review on it. Plug repeating the plunge on solid unexpected news. 6% seems a little much, says TJ Molden. Anyone saw my bad typo? No worries, mate. Let's have a quick look at Plug. 233. Yes. All preparing for the next earnings. Yeah, Plug is becoming more and more attractive by the day. It's at this 3-month level here now. Look at that. It bounced off it last time. If you are, whoops-a-daisy, you can't see it, can you? Sorry. It did bounce off this level here. 230 last time, back in May. So maybe it'll do again if you are a chart reader. Look at these levels here. We're hitting these levels again. You know me, that's not my thing. I prefer looking at the fundamentals of the business than the chart, but there you go. I read that. That's all good. Right, 20 minutes ago. I've got some videos coming out for you. So I've just recorded Space, SPCE. I've just recorded How to Win When You Lose. That will be out later on. But I've just got US election debate, how it affects the stock market. FFIE, deal or no deal, the Saudi deal. There's no deal. It's not going to help anybody. And the Rivian situation as well came straight back down. Didn't I say? He did say. He did say. He did say it. I was there when Martin said it. It's so fundamentally obvious, I'm afraid. Some things are difficult to read. We don't always know what's going to happen, but some things are bloody obvious. It only benefited Volkswagen, to be perfectly honest, didn't it? It's not really a great deal for Rivian. And they're not even going to get all the 5 billion in one go anyway. And even if they were, I mean, it's not really going to do much. They're just spending money. They're just spending money. That's really all there is to it. What was that on my page? Oh, I was looking for something there. I wonder what it was. How is the music channel doing, Vaz? Very nice of you to ask. I think we're just coming up to 3,700 now. Let's have a look. Switch account. Let's have a look. Go into Martyn Lucas. All right. Let's have a look. Watch hours. Last 365 days. It's showing 3,600, but we're just coming up to 3,700. So we're getting there. Hey, but it's the music night. We could do well tonight. We could get it over the 3,700. There you go. It's showing 3.6, but it's actually just about to hit 3.7. So tonight, with a good night, I reckon we could end up with 3,700. So we're doing well. We're slowly churning away, aren't we? We're slowly going up, so we can't knock it, really. Right, we're getting a little bit of a rebound as we come up to the close. It's not too bad. We don't mind, really, what it does. It doesn't matter too much. John, Martyn, did you happen to see the deal Sidhu made with the Saudis? No. Tell me all about it. I'd like to cover that. Send it in. Liam. Yeah, I've got a glass of milk here. Just try to make me feel better. My hangover's virtually, I think it's gone. I think I just feel a little bit. Apparently, Leah said, I drank a third of a bottle of bourbon. Bloody hell. I mean, seriously, that's a lot when you think I only do this like 5 times a year, and in between I don't really drink at all. So, you know, it's quite a bit, isn't it? It's quite a bit, isn't it? But there it is. There it is. All right. Liam. What's that there? The wine, the money. The wine, the money, and the person. Sidhu news in YouTube links. Okay. Sidhu, how do you do? Let's have a little look. John Granfor. David, I found the song I want you to sing tonight. Well, I've got to learn it, David. I don't know what you think's going on here. You just give me the song and I just sing it. I've got to learn it. Being a new member, Purple Rain. Purple Rain, Purple Rain. Since it's raining, it's butt off in here in South Louisiana. Purple Rain, sadly, is one of the songs that I can only sing with the band. I've got a band. Well, I used to have a band. I don't actually have a band now, but I used to. But I will see what I can do between now and an hour and 20. See if I can refresh my memory. Purple is on your list. I know. There's a few songs that I do with a band, and I should have 2 lists, but it's like half a dozen songs out of the whole list. So I just left it on there. Oh, yeah. I'll try. Okay, let me look at the music and see if I can remind myself about it. I'll do my best. Anyway. It only takes you like 6 minutes to learn a song anyway. Stop flexing, Martyn. Yeah, it takes about 6 minutes. He's right. Was that your wife walking behind you? Yes. See, can you see here now, look, because it's so hot, I've got fans going now, but can you see here? Look. That is the lounge. This curtain, the magic curtain, there's one here and one here. They're not pulled across to try to get ventilation throughout the house. So that is one of the curtains that goes across all the way. Can you see it up there? Look, this comes together. Like that. That comes together. Right? But to get fresh air in here, we've opened it up. And only because we're at the, really, really hot now. 110, it's insane. So we do have, open. And when I'm on camera like this, she's a blurred image. She's just like a little shadow. But it picks her up if I do that. And then you can see her properly. But yeah, that's what's going on there. It'll be shut tonight for the music concert because the smoke would just fill the house up. Happy birthday to all. Oh, happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Zach Zate. Hi, Zach. How are you? Right. Sadu. How do you do? Mrs. Columba mentioned on every episode, but the audience never get to see her. Hi, John. I hope you're having a lovely day. I thought for a second I was seeing things for LOL. Long day. It's been hot. Yes. Look at the portfolio just rising now. Great, isn't it? Right. Let me do this. Sidhu, how do you do? S-I-D-U. Sidhu. Sidhu. S-I-D-U at end. There you go. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We're talking Sidhu, Cyberspace, S-I-D-U, ticker symbol. Got some news for you sent in by one of our members. If you're a member of our channel, we can feature your favorite stock and have you on the show and whatever it is you like. And this information has just been sent in. And I want to thank John Grant for very much indeed for that. Tap the like button if you'd like to know the Sidhu News Cyberspace. What's it all about? If you tap the like button, if you haven't, you just will not be able to proceed. You believe that? Yeah. If you haven't pressed it, it just stops. All right. Cyberspace and Nemesis Bahrain sign MOU to establish Cydas Arabia JV headquartered in Saudi Arabia to develop a state-of-the-art 3D printing satellite manufacturing facility. Okay, this has just come out. What's it all about? So we've got Cyberspace, a provider of end-to-end precision space infrastructure solutions that include satellite data as a service on its proprietary orbiting platform, announced today the execution of a memo to understanding MOU outlining its collaboration with Nemesis, a multidisciplinary technology and electronic security consultancy for the establishment of a joint venture with a mission to build, own and operate a satellite manufacturing production assembly an integration facility in the Middle East supporting Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC, I beg your pardon, countries and beyond. The MOU outlines that parties intend to serve and fulfill the needs and requirements of government and private clients across the Middle East and North Africa, MENA, region, while sharing a unified mission of fostering science and technology development with multiple value propositions. The initial scope of this rewarding collaboration will center attention on exploring opportunities for sustained access to space for the GCC countries through the establishment of satellite manufacturing and space-based data collection. This important and and creditive relationship is the cornerstone for launching our satellite operations and on-orbit services into the GCC region. The immediate benefits for our technology and services to the Gulf states are a game changer for both the Middle East and cyberspace, said Carol Craig, founder and CEO of cyberspace. Disappointed with Carol King. She'd never responded for an interview, and she only seems to give interviews by friends of hers who are musicians. I thought she'd talk to me, being the world piano man, but she never responded. Bit of a shame there. The recent advances in 3D printing, specifically in manufacturing lightweight, complex designs for the space industry, will definitely serve as the catalyst in bringing the GCC regions closer to par with the leaders in the industry, said Manhal Al-Kasai, CEO of Nemesis. Under the guidance and support of a technical JV partners such as Cyberspace, we are confident that we made the right choice. Good stuff. Thank you, John Granfor, for sending that in. Cyberspace. We've got just a moment, so what we'll do, we'll take a closer look at SIDU. Let's have a look at the financials of the business just for a moment. Give it a mini analysis, if you like. Let's have a look here. No meaningful market cap, so it's hard to value this business. We're at 228, and we're saying that the base case, 414, that would make it 46% undervalued. It's not completely accurate as they don't have DCF. It doesn't use DCF, but there you go. Now you can see the revenue has dipped down 20%, but we're expecting that to increase. Operating income down 7%, pretty much flat. Net income pretty much flat. Not a great deal to say about this right now, is there? 25 million, very, very small company. It's crazy that Carol never responded to us because it's small enough that we can move this stock. And we did at one point. You may remember that Martini Racer bought like 10% of the company. Anyway, 25.4 million in assets, 8 million in liabilities, 6 million is in cash. They've got a bit of money in cash, 8.2 million in liabilities, no long-term debt, just short-term debt. So their balance sheet isn't too bad, is it? Margins aren't great, though. They're losing money on everything, basically, and getting worse. We have an 18% profitability score. Not good at all. As you can see, everything's pretty negative. But the balance sheet, like I said, 48%. They've got a bit of cash. They haven't got any debt. They're okay. But look at Wall Street. Worst case scenario, 349% upside. 353, 367. Look at that. Huge potential upside. Wall Street targets. Interesting. No one buying, no one selling inside the company. Short interest, only 6.25%, 6.4, nothing there. You can see my reviews. I'm the only one really talking about it. As you can see, there's all the news going out look, on Cyberspace. What about sentiment? Last 90 days, 37%. Last 30 days, 44%. Last 7 days, 50%. And today, no news today, but positive sentiment, improving. Nothing negative to say. Not a great deal to say about anything. So we've had a bit of news today. I'd say it's relatively positive. Potentially now we've got a undervaluation, potential good growth. What do you think? Cyberspace, you can buy the whole company now. Let's scroll down. The market cap is the market cap and price to earnings ratio is negative 14 cents. The market cap, hang on a minute, where am I? 82 employees. Market cap, 1.85 million. Bloody hell, I could buy the whole thing myself. There you go. Should we buy it? 1.85 million. That's all this company is. A very, very small company. Earnings expected August 12th. If any of my members want me to super chat me and book me in for an earnings, I can cover it for you. Expected August 12th. Earnings moving up. Expected to do much better. Still negative, but getting much more like it. What do you think? An opportunity? You tell me. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, I'll put my full alpha spread review list. I've done lots of reviews on this. This was a kind of mini analysis with a bit of news. And down here, I'll put Cider Space, so you can go and check out all the history of our videos that we've done on Cider Space. There you go. That was sent in by John Granforth. Thank you very much indeed. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Cider. Jeffrey Diamond. Flying it today, Zach. Lots of aerospace. Posted a night picture of for you. Working on framing the poster. Posted a picture for you. Working on framing the poster. What's all that about? Where would that be sent in? Breakfast bar, maybe? Where would that be sent in? Is Ed Nevius here, by the way? Oh, hello, look at this. Zach with his light. I love it. David Bowie. What's all this? Oh, hello. Look at this. Is this some of the artwork for Vaz? Is that what's going? Is it Vaz? Yeah. Just seen it. Look at, oh, he's got a nice little dog. Look, little border collie. There we go. There's Zach's dog. I'm loving it. There's the, look at that look. Doesn't that look good? Does look good, doesn't it? There's the David Bowie Ziggy Stardust. I'm loving it. That must be Vaz there. Brilliant. Very, very good indeed. Right. Just seen it. Martyn, can you show it, please? Ask the family on Discord. I just showed it. I jumped the gun, didn't I? I'm looking at the players in and around Asia Pacific Rim and beyond, Japan, South Korea, and Rocket Lab. Keep me updated, John. You're doing a great job, by the way. God, please squeeze the shorts into market close and make a new all-time high. Cider Space. Markets try to go up for a moment there. Ground control to Major Tom. Ring the closing bell and get the music channel on. Ooh. Ground control to Major Tom. Ring the closing bell and get the music channel on. Did we see the SMX news from Jay? SMX news. SMX news. I don't think we did we? I think we've run out of time now. Links for YouTube. SMX news. Wadey sent something in. SMX awarded $8 billion through the Federal Bureau investigation. I've got something, SMX. Would you like me to cover it? Don't say I don't do stuff. Don't say I don't do stuff. I'll cover it when we ring the bell. Sorry, Wadey. I'll cover it then. When we ring the bell, I'll cover it. Thanks, Martyn. You're welcome. Martyn, didn't Martini sell out? Yes, he sold it. He just told us today. I think yesterday. Tim Rogers, Martyn, does Bloomberg have a responsibility or timing to show your interview? More importantly, Virgin Galactic does not get out a free card to respond. The longer they take, reflect this. I know, it's rubbish. I just haven't got the time or the energy for those silly, silly people. They're rubbish. Absolute rubbish. They don't seem to care that we're talking about it every day. They don't care that, we've done an interview that they're not responding to. I mean, what can you say about it? I mean, it's just more and more. They're just pleasing themselves, paying themselves silly money to do nothing. Yes, Martyn is sold out. He did. Not much movement in ASTI. I expected more after your interview. Well, we did get a nice pop, like 15%. But no, I agree with you. Would like to have seen a lot more, but I agree. It's disappointing. John, I did not ask about Sadu. I'm not investing in Sadu. Sorry, Wadey. Yes, MSK. No worries. Oh, you meant Malk? Okay. Let me ring the bell, and I'll just very quickly do. I'll do SMX. So Sadu. Was it 45? Thereabouts, wasn't it? And SMX at end. I'll do that at the end then. That will be the end of it. That will be the end of it. No more. Music night tonight on Martyn's music channel. If you've not been before, come and check it out. It's brilliant. Thank you, James. Right, let me make sure then I send everyone tonight to the music channel. So customization, redirect, take to the music channel. There it is. It's all done. Right. Bring up the music channel as well. Give you the link just in case. Right. Here is the upcoming party tonight. I'm the first person to like it. Yes. Live in 61 minutes. Here is the link. There it is. Let's petition for Eric Kern to take over Donald Trump's presidency campaign. Kearney's performance will be so poor that Trump will drop out. That's funny. I like the music, Brian. There you go. There's the link. Dropped it in the chat. Here's the event tonight. Come and join us. No drinking tonight. Absolutely not. There'll be just tea. Tea and biscuits tonight. Tea and biscuits. We'll do some old man music. Yes, old man music tonight. Martyn, grab the bourbon. Yeah, right. No. Tonight shall be, I'll be drinking with tea and biscuits. Spot on. Oh, hello. The Nest is doing its little what do they call it? Sound check. Anyway, there it is. There is the party coming up. Right, we're about to ring the bell, and then I'm going to do SMX. Zach, breaking news. I'll go and be at Spaceport America for the next flight. Ooh. Breaking news. I'll go and be at Spaceport America for the next flight. First Delta flight. I love it. I love it. Congratulations, Zach. I'm going to try to be there for Delta. Right, I'm going to be there as well then. If we're all going, sod it. I'm going to go. If Zach's going, if John's going, I'm going. We'll have a party. Let's go to that little hotel. Oh, ring the bell. Didn't you say there was a little hotel down the road? Zach say, is there a little hotel down the road from Virgin Galactic? We could all stay there. Have a party. I think that'd be great. Shall we do that? Martyn, don't forget to bring your glass of milk. I'll warm it up as well, shall I? Shall I have tepid milk? Just a little bit warm. Not too warm. I don't want to burn myself, all right? On the 4-year, Martyn will be riding the carpet. Josh Rogan. I'll be sitting here, will I, puffing away. Yeah, that'll be great. Yeah, in Los Cruces. Yeah, Los Cruces. What do you reckon? Should we all meet up? Zach's going. I'm going. John's going. Who else is up for it? That would be fun. That would be fun, wouldn't it? I agree. That would be good. That would be fun. Right. Be chaos. That's what it would be. Be bloody chaos. I'm in. Oh, Brian Bynum wants to go. There's 4. Boys trip to Mexico. Hey. The boys in Mexico. Los Cruces. Down the road from Virgin Galactic. I'll pop in and say hello to... hell yeah, let's go. John Granford, he's up for it as well. How did this happen? How have we created all this? Right, okay, SMX, because I've got to get out of here. I ain't got time for this nonsense. SMX. Here I am sitting in a tin can. Oh, yeah. SMX. Right. SMX at N, Martin. You guys really will show up. You guys really will show up. I would love to show up as well. There you go. Tim Rogers. That's what, is that 5 of us now? Bloody hell, look at that. We're going to have as many people as Meet Kevin, and he's got 2 million subscribers. He had about 30 turn up. We've already got 5, and we only mentioned it 5 minutes ago. This is easy. Too easy, isn't it? Right, SMX. Let's do it. Let's do it. SMX. Here we go. SMX. Here I am sitting in a tin can. Sitting in a tin can. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Some information just sent in by one of our members. It's a bit of a news item. It's a bit of a mini analysis. Flipping X, too much really. Supposed to be getting ready for my music concert tonight, but I just don't care. I thought, what the hell? Let's do it. You've asked me nicely. At least I could do is consider the request. So that's what I'm doing. Let's have a look at it. SMX, what is it? Tap the like button, all be revealed. We're going to show you some news. You want to see a quick glimpse? There's the news. It's gone again. Quick, get off the screen. There you go. I'm also going to share with you the valuation and a little bit of balance sheets, a little bit of money, a little bit of stuff. You ready? I'm in a good mood tonight. It's Friday and I'm looking forward to the weekend. Cup of tea and a biscuit after my crazy 3-year anniversary of the show. Head's just about settling down now. So what have we got? Let me share with you the news and let me share with you the inside trading, who's buying, who's selling, and all that stuff. So what's the news? SMX, a leader in next generation mission support, digital transformation, and IT solutions, announced today, which was 2 days ago, announced today that it has been awarded a prime contract, information technology supplies and support services to enhance and continue its support for the Federal Bureau, the FBI. All right, very, very good. In a multiple award, indefinite delivery, indefinite quantity IDIQ, blanket purchase agreement with an estimated ceiling value of $8 billion and a potential 8-year contract length. Well, that sounds good, doesn't it? If I've ever heard one, 8 billion. Very nice indeed. FBI ITSSS-2 serves as a cornerstone in the Federal Bureau of Investigation's mission to safeguard the nation's digital infrastructure against ever-evolving cyber threats. Under the FBI ITSSS-2 contract, SMX will deliver a comprehensive suite of IT support services, including cybersecurity solutions, software development, network engineering, and IT infrastructure. SMX is proud to continue to partner with the FBI in its mission to protect our national security interests, said Laura Braxator, SMX Chief Growth Officer. We are committed to leveraging our expertise and capabilities to deliver transformative solutions that enable the FBI to maintain a resilient and secure IT environment. Let's have a look at the numbers. Does it make sense? Are you liking it so far? Tap the like button. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. This valuation, I'm afraid, is slightly unreliable as it doesn't use DCF, but we're saying it could technically be 96% undervalued, 326, when right now it's 12 cents. Ooh. We've got very little information from the company. Cannot value anything. Look at that. Financials. Lots of holes. Lots of things missing. That's not good. 129 million in assets. 9 million in liabilities. No long-term debt. Balance sheet looks great. But very little numbers where we can actually value this. Profitability, 38%. Nothing great there. All negative. I think I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me, it's a live show. What can I say? Solvency, 66%. All good apart from short-term solvency. So balance sheet's not too bad. But there's very little information here. 0.96% on short interest. Scroll down. That's it. That is literally a lot. There's very little information on it. 12 cents a share. We scroll down. Haggai Alon is the CEO. Dublin, I'd love them to call in and be on the show. Email them, email investor relations. Let's get them on the show. High risk, 100% margin, average volume, 14 million. The volume today is 2. Market cap, 1.28 million. This is the sort of stock that we can move very, very easily. Very, very small company. Get them on the show. Let's see what we can do. July the 9th. Like 2 weeks away. Let's see if we can cover the earnings. If anyone does a super chat, I'll cover the earnings. So that would be interesting. But anyway, there we go. Little information, but I've provided you what there is. That's a huge deal. If that's real. $5 billion. The company's only worth 1 million. Seriously? It's like transforms the stock by 1,000,000%. Anyway, there you go. Look at it. There's the news for you. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Above my head as well, martynlucas.com. Down here is martynlucas.com. You'll find further down on martynlucas.com, all links, scroll down, you'll find Alpha Spread. That's what I use to review stocks, and you might want to get a free plan. My members can all get a free version of this. If you want to pay the premium one, and it's what I use, basically my membership will give you a discount so good that my membership will become free. How good is that? I know. Can you believe it? Another reason to become a member. Over here, I shall put the Alpha Spread playlist of all the stocks I reviewed. And down here, I shall put the playlist for SMX. I do believe I've reviewed it before. You can go and see if my reviews are consistent. I've no idea what I said before. Couldn't remember what I said yesterday, let alone 3 months ago. I've made nearly 5,500 videos now, so I might have forgotten. Go and check it out. Let me know if I got it right. Anyway, comment below this video. Leave me your thoughts, and I'll reply back to all my members. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there you go. That was a special one. Shouldn't have done it. Up SMX earnings, please. We got a request. If you are a member, he's a member, and you super chat, and he super chatted, you can book in a earnings. The earnings is expected July 9th. Let me write it down. July 9th. SMX earnings. After hours. Okay. It's expected. Not confirmed yet. I will look into that and check it. And if it's possible, I will. If they do the earnings and whatever, I will certainly cover it because you've given me a super chat, and I will do that for you. So I'll get up early in the morning, late in the evening, and I will cover the earnings for you. Absolutely right. How about that? So there you go. Okay. I've got to get off. We've got our concert to do tonight. Let me give everyone the link once again. Here is the link. Serrano, FBI. There's the link for the concert. We'll be live in 45 minutes. Come and join me. And we'll have... There we go.
Vaz donated £4.99 through a super chat. SMX earnings, please.
It's in, it's booked, ready to rock and roll. My wish, your wish is my command. Poof. There we go. Poof. Rub the lamp. Popped out. There I am. Poof. Okay. That's all done. GoPro going to explode. Well, that would be nice. Become a member and I'll review it for you, do earnings for you, just like I did for Vaz, FBI, Serrano. No idea what you mean by that. I listen to SMX all the time until your show popped up. SMX, you mean the radio? Could we get a review of good natured. Yes, we can, but the show has ended. I can't do it now. I can do it. Let me write it on the list. $2.79. You'll be at 2 from the bottom of the list. There's 7 on the list. Let me write it there. It's $2. There you are. You're just there. You are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Right. So that is malic acid. Malic acid. US dollars. I'll write it down in US dollars. Okay. Good Natured Products Inc. Good Natured Products. Let's have a look here. Let's make sure I've got the right one. Good Natured Good. That's not showing up as a stock. Good Natured Products. What's the ticker symbol? What's the ticker symbol? I have no idea. If I type Good Natured Products, it doesn't come up. So I have no idea.
Malic Acid donated $2.79 through a super chat. Could we get a review of Good Natured Products Incorporated?
So where are you from, Malic Acid? Maybe it's not on the New York Stock Exchange. Good Natured. It's an over-the-counter. I see. Right, Good Natured Products. Okay. GDNP. Okay, here it is. It's not on Robinhood, so there'll be parts missing. Looks like this is it here. GDNP. Does that sound about right to you? GDNP. All right, there it is. It's on the list. We'll get back to our reviews on Monday. We can't do it now, of course, but there you go. Thank you very much indeed. Right. I've got it, Malic Acid, investor. Did you see the songs I sent you on messages on Discord? No. Yes, I did. Mike, I've not had a chance to do it, of course. We had our anniversary. It's public in Canada. I thought it was everywhere. No, it's not on the... let me just do it this way. GDNP. I put the ticker in. GDNP. No, it's not on the New York Stock Exchange. It's not covered by Robinhood anyway. But there you go. You assume, but it's not, I'm afraid. It's a Canadian publicly traded company. It's over the counter. It's a very small company. I thought it was everywhere. No, it's not. Hey, Martin, how's it going? It's going all right. Thank you for asking. Right, salty biscuit. Hang on a minute. I've had an email. No. Thought I just heard from Bloomberg, but I haven't. No. Okay. Right, and then end the show. Get ready for the music. I've got videos coming out as well tomorrow. I don't think I'll rush them out tonight. I think they'll come out tomorrow. Anyway. No, it's okay, Martin. We'll just check in, like the walks and the music. Yes, the walks are happening. Yeah. You keep checking, mate. Just wondering if you had a chance to review ME23 and me. We did 2 reviews today, and we did some mini reviews today, just a few moments ago. Unfortunately, sorry for you. You got bumped up today, or you got bumped down to Monday. Monday I'll do them. The reason why it didn't happen today was because Martini Racer did a $20 super chat, and I did that, and I had another one for $10, I think it was, and it just put you down. But you are top of the list. M23 and me, salty biscuit, $5. You are currently the top of the list, but that's why it didn't happen today. But I will endeavor to do that on Monday. I hope that's okay. All right? Okay. I've got to go. Let's get out of here. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's see who's up, who's down, who's in, who's out, who's made the most money. Let's do it. Are you ready? Here we go. All right. Oops. We better start that again. That was a complete and utter disaster. I know. You're thinking, that was rubbish. That's better. Okay. Thank you, Martyn. You're very, very welcome. Sorry things have to take a bit of a while sometimes, but can't do any more than I'm doing, I'm afraid. Wish I could. Right. Are you up? Are you down? I'm down 0.93. But remember, I'm up today. See my video, which comes out later. How you can be up when you're down. Up point... Oops, sorry, I beg your pardon. I'm down. Down 0.93%. Great show. Thank you, Zax8. 1.38. Down 0.93. So far, I'm winning. Let's see. Down, down, down. Yes, it's a tough day. Let's have a look. Let's roll the credits. We've got a lot of people to thank today. A lot of people to thank. Let me clear this away and roll the credits this afternoon. Let's have a look here. Roll the credits. Stars of the show. Thanks for your support. Subscriptions. Arturo VS, Jason Jenkins. Super chats from Vaz and Malik Acid. Thank you guys very much for your support today. Down 0.9 MR off, 0.74 in my traditional. So, 0.74. Damn it, I thought I'd won then. I was just about to say I've won today, but no. David, 0.74, down in a ring of fire. We could sing that tonight for you, Mike. Down in a ring of fire. Pretty much. So the winner is David. David today is down, as most people are, but he's down less than everybody else. So thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and give him a big cheer. That's it from me. I'm out of here. Going over now to the music channel. It will take you there automatically. Or here is the link. Come and join us for the music concert tonight. Every Friday, live on the channel, live on the show. And that's it. Until next time, as always, join me now on the music channel. I'll be back in 40 minutes with live music. And then back, of course, on Monday. No Sensei show on Sunday. I'll see you back on Monday. Take care of yourselves and each other.